Today you will learn how to make this awesome Assassination Classroom cake. Hey guys, it's Danya. Welcome back to Doki Cakes. I got a request to do an Assassination Classroom cake, so today we'll be making Koro Sensei. Before we get started, let's just do a little anime review, shall we? Koro Sensei is a powerful octopus-like creature, claims that within a year, Earth will be destroyed by him. But he offers mankind a chance by becoming a homeroom teacher of Class 3E, where he teaches his students about how to kill him. The Assassination Classroom begins. Alright then, let's get started. You're going to start by frosting a layer of buttercream all over your dome cake and then smooth it out with a circle smoother. It's time for the fondant. Drape the fondant and smooth it out with your hands and cut off the excess. Now paint the entire cake with yellow edible paint. This part is totally optional. You can straight use yellow fondant, but I think the paint gives it a shine, the characteristic of Koro Sensei. If you're new to my channel and are enjoying this video, well, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any new Doki Cake videos. While the paint is drying, you are going to work on all the fondant pieces. Now decorate your cake by placing all the fondant pieces. And voila, we are done with our Koro Sensei cake. I love this so much. It was super fun and so quick to create. If you want a shout out on my next video, don't forget to use the hashtag Doki Cakes and share your creations on my Instagram. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.